In recent times, what we are seeing in Indian medical devices or Indian hospital market is going more towards turnkey and infrastructure solutions. So, from KLS Martin point of view, we are now more keen in participating in as a turnkey solution provider as for hospital infrastructure as a turnkey solution provider. So we want to work with new projects. We want to support them with our technical know-how, planning, designing, and then we want to provide all the solutions what we have. Modular OR is our strength. All the products which go with new projects is our strength. So that's
What are
how
your
we want to.
expectations in the country? What are your expectations from the industry in general? From the Indian medical equipment industry or the government or macro?
See, basically, if you look at the government's stance as far as healthcare segment is concerned, they are more keen towards Make in India process. So that's a good initiative, but I believe we need more support from the government. If government has an initiative for Make in India, we need more support in terms of attractive zones, or in terms of how we can bring in foreign investment to make products in India. So this is what we want. I would say better packages from the government, which can attract multinationals to start their manufacturing plants in India.
Given so much R&D happening abroad, do you think India is equipped to become a medical equipment manufacturer?
See, basically, manufacturing is different, research and development different. If you are trying to attract companies with strong R&D in Europe, in US, in Japan, these are the major countries where innovative products come from. We can use the R&D facilities in these countries and design and development from these countries, and the manufacturing can still happen in India. So I don't feel in any way we
I
have to.
got you. So tell us about your plans for the next 1 year.
Yes, KLS Martin basically wants to go more into hospital infrastructure projects. We want to become a project management company from basic medical devices and instrument company. I mean, medical devices and instrument is of course our bread and butter, but then we also want to become a kind of solution providers where even the healthcare industry is benefited with our knowledge and know-how.
Anything else you'd like to add?
I think here we are present in this exhibition to meet groups from various healthcare projects, where we can discuss our strengths and where we can add value to them, things like that.
How much growth are you expecting in the next 1 year?
Growth in terms of
Turnover, sales turnover.
for KLS Martin.
Generally for the industry and for KLS.
For industry, the growth, I mean, it's different for various product range. As far as projects are concerned, new projects are concerned, it's growing. I would say we can't fix the growth in a small percentage, because the growth is tremendous. The major plus point for the country is the population, and to cater this population, the healthcare facilities have to, the number of beds requirement has to, I would say, not just multiply in normal digits. So it has, there's a tremendous gap, yeah, for expansion. So I would say growth is, there's no limit. Yeah, there's no limit. It's infinite. The growth potential in Indian market, Indian healthcare market is.
And what is the expectation for your company? You must have got a target or must have got an expectation, some plan.
See, basically, we want to grow at a good, I would say, at a good, almost like a 25% growth is our.
How much?
25% growth is our plan year by year. But we also want to explore new opportunities, new opportunities where it could also add. So maybe it can also exceed our plans.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.